I found a way to customize your YouTube feed so you could do things like hide shorts, hide the recommendations next to a video, even hide comments. And if you wanted to take things really far, you could hide your whole home feed and only have the search bar at the top. So the way this works is really, really simple. It's just a browser extension called Unhook. So if you go to unhook.app, you'll be able to install this. It's available for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Personally, I'm a Firefox person, so I'm just gonna add to Firefox. And then it shows you the permissions that it requires. So it's going to access data from YouTube and mobile YouTube, which is fine with me. And then after you go back to YouTube, you'll see that it had already applied some of its settings automatically, and your YouTube is going to look like this. But if you want to customize that, you just have to open the extension. Once you click into that, you'll see all the toggle bars that control these features. So you can bring stuff back really easily. But personally, I would disable as much as possible. The only thing that I would keep, let me show you. This would be my personal preference for these configurations. So at first, I would start with everything blocked, and then what I would put back is the top header so that I can see the search bar and look for stuff. And then, but I'd still probably silence notifications, that bell icon. You'll still see shorts. I do have shorts hidden. They do hide them from like the home page, but they're still going to be displayed, but they're going to be inaccessible. So if I click on, the first one that appears, it's just never going to show me that actual video, which is the way that they're able to hide it through this extension. Then another customization that you can do that I like is, how back in the day, YouTube would show you your subscriptions and your subscriptions only, like on your homepage. You can get that back if you do uncheck hide subscriptions, and then you'll see over here like a sub one came up, redirect to subscriptions. So just leave that, and then if you go on youtube.com, it's going to go automatically to your subscriptions tab. You're not going to have access to that homepage. So if I was signed in here, I just see videos from all of my channels that I subscribe to. So that's also a cool configuration that you can do. So yeah, I feel like this is a cool browser extension. YouTube does do a lot of updates, so things can break. If you're watching this video 5 months in the future, it might not be working as well as it is in this video, but I mean, that's just the nature of the game. YouTube changes its code. Whoever is running this would have to actively keep up with that, so that is a lot of work. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy it while it lasts, and I hope it helps you too. If you want to check out some of my similar videos, I have a video about turning an iPhone into a dumb phone. So that could completely block your access to YouTube on your phone if you'd like to. And then I have This Code Stops Brain Rot, which is a script that will allow you to block distracting sites on your computer. And I have a setting on it that only unblocks your access for 20 minutes so that you can get some brain rot in, but not completely derail your entire day. So yeah, thanks for watching.